Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this video is about concat. The concatenate function allows you to join cells of data together. I have a table of first and last names and I'm going to use the concat function to combine this data together in one cell. In the first empty cell at the end of a row of data, type equals concat and then an open bracket. If I just want to join the first and last names together, I would click on the cell with the first name, then add a comma, and then click on the cell with the last name, type a close bracket and press enter. We now have a column of data where the first and last names have been joined together but with no space. I'm going to do it again, but this time add a space between the names. I'll click on an empty cell and type equals concat and then an open bracket. I'll click on the cell with the first name, add a comma, and then add a quotation mark, press space, and then another quotation mark. Add a comma, select the last name cell and type a close bracket. This function is going to take the first name, whatever is between those quotation marks, and then the last name. Press enter and we have our names. This feature is helpful for creating a list of email addresses. In the next open cell, we'll type equals concat and then an open bracket. Select the first name cell, comma, add a quotation mark, full stop, quotation mark, comma, select the last name cell, comma, add a quotation mark, and then type @ whatever your chosen domain name is, .com, followed by another quotation mark. Finally, a close bracket. Press enter, and if all of your data is in a table, you'll now have a full list of email addresses.